Welcome to our Keto Diet channel, and today we take a closer look at the anti-aging potential of Keto Diet lifestyle. So keep watching this video till the end as we explore the benefits of the ketogenic diet for a healthier life. Imagine a world where we can slow down the aging process, improve our brain function, and boost our energy levels. Science suggests that the ketogenic diet might hold the key to achieving these goals. Let's journey back in time to understand the origins of the ketogenic diet and it can support healthier and longer life. The ketogenic diet was initially developed in the 1920s to treat epilepsy in children. It was discovered that when the body is deprived of carbohydrates, it enters a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. Interestingly, this metabolic switch has been linked to a multitude of health benefits, including anti-aging effects. To understand how the ketogenic diet can promote longevity, we need to delve into the aging process itself. As we age, our cells accumulate damage from oxidative stress, leading to inflammation and the onset of aging-related diseases. The ketogenic diet's high fat content and low carbohydrate intake, combined with increased ketones, can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. This reduction in stress on our cells may slow down the aging process by preserving and protecting our DNA. Furthermore, the ketogenic diet has been shown to improve brain health and function, enhancing cognitive abilities and memory retention. By limiting sugar intake, the brain can utilize ketones for energy, resulting in improved mental clarity and focus. Not only does the ketogenic diet benefit brain health, but it can also help regulate insulin levels and support weight loss. Lower insulin levels reduce the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. But how can we implement the ketogenic diet in our daily lives? Here are some practical tips and examples to help you get started with keto. Consult with a nutrition specialist to better understand macronutrient ratios. Read a few keto diet books and make your meals based on keto recipes. Use Keto Diet food list when you go to your next shopping in your favorite grocery store. Remember, incorporating exercise and staying hydrated are crucial components of any healthy lifestyle, including the ketogenic diet. Once again, consult with a healthcare professional and read a few books before making any significant changes to your eating habits. By implementing the ketogenic diet into our lives, we can pave the way for a healthier, longer, and more vibrant future. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and inspiring.